Earth, our home in the vast expanse of the universe. For billions of years, it has thrived in the safety of its orbit around the Sun. But what if something unimaginable were to happen? What if a rogue planet, a massive, drifting world without a star, came hurtling toward Earth? Rogue planets are wanderers, lost worlds that have been flung out of their star systems, drifting through the galaxy, untethered by the pull of gravity. And in this scenario, one of these giants is on a collision course with Earth. If such a colossal planet, possibly the size of Neptune, were to come crashing into Earth, the consequences would be catastrophic on a scale humanity has never imagined. First, even before impact, the rogue planet's immense gravitational force would wreak havoc. Earth's orbit could shift, potentially pulling us out of the habitable zone, plunging us into an icy freeze or sending us closer to the Sun, turning the planet into an oven. The rogue planet's gravitational pull would unleash violent earthquakes, tsunamis, and volcanic eruptions across the globe. Tectonic plates would shift dramatically, continents could be torn apart, and coastlines would be swallowed by massive tidal waves. But it gets worse. The rogue planet's proximity could disturb Earth's molten core, causing catastrophic volcanic eruptions and releasing enough ash and gas to block out sunlight for years, plunging the world into a nuclear winter. And if the rogue planet makes direct impact, the result would be total annihilation. The energy released from the collision would be more powerful than all the nuclear bombs on Earth combined, vaporizing cities, continents, and possibly even cracking Earth apart. Earth would cease to exist as we know it, reduced to debris floating through the solar system. In the grand scheme of the universe, such collisions may be rare, but they have happened before. Billions of years ago, it's believed that a Mars-sized planet collided with Earth, creating the debris that eventually formed our moon. That collision set the stage for the Earth we know today. But if a rogue planet were to strike now, life as we know it would be wiped out in an instant. The question is, would we even see it coming? Rogue planets are notoriously difficult to detect, especially without the light of a nearby star to illuminate them. But some scientists believe we could develop technology capable of spotting these cosmic wanderers before they get too close. And with enough warning, perhaps humanity could mount a defense, using advanced technology or even altering the course of the rogue planet to avoid disaster. While the idea of stopping a rogue planet may seem far-fetched, scientists are already exploring ways to deflect asteroids that threaten Earth. A similar strategy could one day be used for larger cosmic threats. For now, the chances of a rogue planet colliding with Earth remain incredibly small. But it reminds us of how fragile our existence is in this vast universe. So, while we gaze at the stars and wonder what lies beyond, let's appreciate the delicate balance that allows us to thrive on this tiny blue planet. Because in the grand theater of the cosmos, anything is possible. Even a wandering world colliding with our own.